Hey guys, I'm back today with a small Sephora haul. It's just a couple goodies, but I wanted to show you in case you are interested in picking some up as well. Exfoliator from Necessaire. I love this exfoliator. It has chemical exfoliants in here. It has glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. And so this is really good for you to get rid of that rough, bumpy skin. And anybody that knows me knows that my skin is super soft, and it's because I live by exfoliating. So this is what it looks like, and this one is the eucalyptus one, and I love it because it smells so good. It smells like you are in a spa. Then I picked up the Tom Ford Shimmering Body Oil. So I love to be all glowy and sexy, and especially now I'm in the Caribbean, the sun's shining on me. Look at this bottle, like it's super cute. So it comes with a pump. It has a very light scent, and I love this because it's not sticky. I picked up this Sephora collection eyebrow pencil. This one is, what is it called? The retractable brow pencil. It's waterproof, and the shade I got is chocolate brown. So one side has the spoolie and the other side is the pencil. And I like my pencils to be that thin tip, so this does the job really, really well. And I'm wearing it today, so in case you're wondering, this is the shade that I... So I got the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. I usually use the just the regular translucent, but your girl's all tanned up right now. So I wanted to feel more comfortable and get a little bit of a darker shade. So this is honey, and it has like more of like a golden honey yellow tint, which is perfect for my skin tone. Then I picked up this Olaplex holiday set. These are professional products, and they're really, really good at strengthening your hair. So I love the holidays because, of course, you get to try a few of the products at a time for a pretty decent price. This is the bonding oil. Like, these are good size. This is for repair and strengthening all hair types, and I have 4C here. It does work. This is the bond smoother. It says leave-in styling treatment, adds moisture, strengthens and reduces frizz for up to 72 hours. And this is the shampoo. So that's the perfect size to try them out, and I'm super excited because my hair is bleached right now and it needs all the TLC it can get, okay? And then last but not least, I picked up one of my favorites, which is my Fenty powder. I usually wear 350, but again, I'm tanned up, so I went and got 370. And this is perfect because I'm really not trying to wear makeup in the heat. But on the days when I want to, of course, powder is a perfect way to go, perfect for soaking up these oils. It's a soft matte powder foundation, and it definitely gives you that super soft matte look. I'm actually wearing it today. That's it for my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.